Hi there. How are you doing today, sir? I'm your new boss. My name is Johnny. And today, Johnny is going to teach you how to use your smartwatch. I acquired this particular apparatus slash smartwatch over a 2 week period ago. Let's go through the menu prior to our walking. We will take a walk outside on the wild side. Ha ha ha. Firstly and foremost, I know I am shooting in the bathroom. You might find that quite weird and quite bizarre, but it is the best place in the house or room in the house that has good lighting. Let's find the walking menu. Here it is, the walking menu. Click walking. See the timer? And all the other apparatuses are calculating and measuring how much I walk, how strong I walk, how many miles and kilometers I walk, and for how long I walk. Let's go.